Kilala naman natin ang isang singer na talaga namang hinahangaan sa TikTok dahil sa kanyang mga song covers at talento sa pagkanta. Let us all welcome the very talented lady na laman ng TikTok feeds, Christine May Francisco.
Good morning po, Rise and Shine, Pilipinas.
Oo, narinig ko na to kanina talaga namang malanghel ang boses. Pero ito, pakwento, kailan ka nag-start kumanta? Anong taon at kailan ka din nag-start mag-upload ng videos mo online?
Actually, nag-start po ako around grade 2 sa classroom.
Grade 2?
Yes po.
Parang nag-aaral pa lang ako nung maglakad
Pinakanta po kami ng teachers ko noon ng Lupang Hinirang, isa-isa kami. And then after noon, parang pinili ako to compete. Pero nag-start ako for competition ng grade 3. So nag-training muna ako that time. Tapos, and ayun, the rest is history na.
Nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Pero aside dun sa pambansang awit, sabi mo, dun yung pinakaunang kinanta mo, ano yung talagang tumatak sa'yo na
Unang-una po, at that time po kasi sikat po yung Santino dati. May bukas pa ang kinanta ko po noon, nung edad ko na po yung grade 2. So, yun po yung first ever song ko.
Usually ngayon, ano na yung mga kina-cover mo ng mga kanta?
Kino-cover ko pong mga songs, mga pop, R&B, and mahilig po kasi akong mag-explore ng mga genres. So talagang tinatry ko kantahin kahit mga pang theater na songs, ganun, or Disney songs, or jazz.
Nasubukan mo rin yung mga barangay singing contest? Or sa schools?
Dati po, sa schools actually, we call this competition, Bulprisa, Bulacan Private School Association. Doon po talaga ako ever since. LM hanggang nag-senior high school, nagka-compete po ako.
Siyempre, maraming mga sikat ngayon na mga OPM artist. May mga dream ka bang maka-collab minsan? Or in the next few months, few years? Siyempre, nasa ano mo yan, no?
Hopefully po, no? Ang dream ko po is si KZ Tandingan. Kasi I really like her, style, and yung own style niya parang ginagamit niya yung own style niya to a lot of songs, kahit mga cover songs, ganyan. Ang ganda nung pagkakakanta niya, pagkaka-interpret niya sa mga songs, ganun po. Gusto ko po yung boses niya talaga.
Kaya pala kanina nung narinig kita sa backstage, parang kala ko si Casey Tandingan yung naririnig ko. Pero may mga upcoming projects ka ba? Saan ka ba pwedeng sundan ng mga ka-RSP natin na baka gusto kang i-follow, mga social media accounts na pwede nilang i-follow?
Actually po, I'm just a new artist lang, and ngayon lang talaga po ako nag-explore and ayun, exposures, gano'n. Sa TikTok account ko po, doon po ako active, and consistently po ako nag-upload po doon. And hopefully, sa Facebook account, makagawa rin ako, and YouTube accounts as well. So, abang-abang na po tayo.
Oo. Yan yung importante doon. May goal. At saka tanggalin mo yung lang kasi nagsimula naman lahat sa, from the start talaga. Malay natin, one of these days, ikaw naman yung makita namin on the center stage. Pero bago mangyari yan, syempre hindi natin pwedeng palampasin yung pagkakataon. Kailangan kong iparinig din sa inyo ang malanghel na boses. Kaya naman, let's give it up for Christine May Francisco.
Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I get given all away if you won't be next year. Feeling Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let it snow is blasting out, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true love that he thinks of. So next Christmas I'm not alone, boy. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I get given all away if you won't be next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but on New Year's Day I woke up and he wasn't by my side. Now I need someone to hold, be my fire in the cold. hard to tell if this is just a fling or if it's true love that made things up. So next Christmas, I'm not all alone, but Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I get given all the way if he won't be here next year. Oh, what happened beside me like, oh, on the 25th by the fireplace, oh, but I don't want a new broken heart. This year I've got to be smart. Oh, baby, if you won't be, if you won't be here, Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I get given on away if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he